Okay, so the short answer up front. Lysol is not a reliable way to kill bedbug eggs. This video explains why, what will work, and practical next steps you can start tonight. You're exhausted and want answers. This guide lays out what Lysol can and can't do, the safe methods that actually work on eggs, and a step-by-step plan you can start tonight. I'll stick to what's been tested and what pros say. If you want the exact supplies we recommend, I've tested them and listed them for you. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This next part explains why Lysol and similar disinfectants don't reliably kill eggs, even if they can sometimes knock down adult bugs on contact. Here's the contrast. Lysol is a disinfectant that can kill bacteria, viruses, and some insects on direct hit. Bed bug eggs, though, have a waxy shell and are glued into seams, so surface sprays rarely reach or penetrate them. Tests and pros say heavy direct contact with strong alcohol can sometimes kill exposed eggs, but it's uneven and won't get eggs in seams. Also, spraying bedding and mattresses a lot is unsafe. Alcohol is flammable, and inhaling sprays can hurt your lungs. This is the important takeaway. Lysol can knock down some adults on contact, but it's not a safe, reliable egg killer. Treat it as a limited contact spray, not your egg solution. Okay, here's what actually destroys eggs. These are practical, tested steps you can use tonight and over the coming weeks. This one's important. No single tool does everything. Eggs and bugs hide in lots of spots. Use heat, barriers, vacuums, and targeted products together for the best chance at elimination. Tonight, do 3 things. Put on a bedbug-proof mattress encasement, wash all bedding and washable items hot and dry for at least 30 minutes, and put interceptors under bed legs while moving the bed away from walls. Those steps cut bites fast. Heat is your most reliable egg killer. Wash and dry for 30 minutes or more. Use a high-temperature steam cleaner on non-washables. For longer treatments, several hours 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit in a heat chamber or car trunk will destroy eggs, but watch for heat damage. Other tools help too. Desiccants like silica gel and food-grade diatomaceous earth, dry crawling bugs. Labeled EPA products give residual protection in cracks, and vacuuming seams and baseboards removes many stages. Empty the vacuum into a sealed bag right away. Eggs have a protective shell, so heat and steam that penetrate are the real killers. Desiccants and residuals keep working against crawlers. Using multiple methods covers gaps and stops reinfestation. Here's a simple schedule you can follow. Consistency matters more than one-off efforts. If you use sprays, save contact sprays for visible adults and a labeled residual for cracks and baseboards. Reasonable schedule is twice a week for a month, then weekly for 2 to 3 months, while keeping encasements, laundering hot, and using interceptors. If you want the exact items we recommend to make this easier, I've tested them. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. A few extra safety and monitoring tips. These help you avoid mistakes and track progress without getting overwhelmed. Don't lean on Lysol for eggs. Use it only for quick contact kills on hard spots. Always follow labels, ventilate, and never mix chemicals. Keep washed laundry sealed away from contaminated zones until you're sure things are controlled. Keep checking with interceptors, sticky traps, and visual scans. If you see no live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood stains for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely gone. You can eliminate bed bugs with persistence. Start with heat, encasements, interceptors, steaming, and targeted residuals. If you want our recommended, tested supplies to make this easier, click the link below.